In the entire universe, there is no prison more perfect, no escape more impossible than a black hole. It is a place where gravity becomes so extreme, it breaks the universe itself. A monster that devours everything, even light itself. Once you cross its border, all paths lead to the center. From a distance, it seems peaceful. A perfect sphere of blackness against the stars. But what if you decided to take the plunge? To cross that final boundary? And journey into the heart of the abyss. Welcome to Cosmic Abyss. Today, we take a one-way trip to the Singularity. As you approach the black hole, you reach a boundary. An invisible line in space-time, called the event horizon. For a supermassive black hole, the crossing is surprisingly gentle. There is no wall, no force field. You wouldn't even feel it. You simply drift across the line, and in that moment, your fate is sealed. You try to turn back. You fire your engines with all their might, but it's no use. Because inside the horizon, space-time itself is falling into the center faster than the speed of light. Trying to escape is like trying to paddle up a waterfall that is moving faster than you can row. Looking back, you can still see the universe you left behind. But the exit is no longer a place you can travel to. Because inside a black hole, the direction forward in time now points only one way, to the center. To an outside observer, your fall seems to take forever. They would see your ship slow down, fade, and freeze at the event horizon for eternity. But from your perspective, time flows differently. As you look back at the universe, you see its future unfolding in fast forward. The light from the entire future of the cosmos reaches you in a matter of moments. Blue shifted into a blinding glare of high-energy radiation. But you have little time to watch the show. Your journey downwards is accelerating. The darkness ahead pulls you in. As you get closer to the center, a new horror begins. The force of gravity at your feet is now trillions of times stronger than the gravity at your head. This difference in force, known as tidal force, begins to stretch you. First at a molecular level, then your entire body. Your ship can't withstand it. It is torn apart, each piece stretched into a thin stream of metal. You are no longer a person. You are a stream of atoms, miles long, flowing down into the abyss. This process is called spaghettification. A gruesome, final transformation before the end. All that remains of you, of your ship, of the star that was devoured before you, is now heading to one place. The Singularity. A point of zero volume and infinite density. It is the place where all the laws of physics, every equation we have ever written, break down and become meaningless. Here, your journey ends. Your stream of atoms reaches the center and ceases to exist in any way we can comprehend. Time stops. Space ends. You have reached the end of the universe, inside a single point. But is it truly the end? Some physicists wonder if the singularity is not a wall, but a doorway. A bridge to another universe. A white hole where everything that falls in is reborn in a new cosmos. We don't know. The heart of a black hole is the ultimate unknown, guarded by a barrier of physics that we may never cross.